Going to find out the tubercle of the navicular. So starting from the medial malleolus, going down a little bit front, this is the bony tubercle. I'm going to mark it. So this is the bony pomeranus. And I'm going to measure the distance with this card. So this is the distance in normal sitting position without putting any weight. Now you have to stand up, ma'am. Focus over here. This is your normal standing position. You don't have to look it. Okay? Just try to be relaxed as much as you can. Okay. So earlier it was over here. Now it is over here. So this, I think it's less than 5 millimeters. Looks like normal. Okay. So next I'm going to do the same thing to the opposite side. Which leg is bothering? Right one. So this is the right side. Relax. This is the navicular tubercle. Bony bump. Mark it. This is the center portion. Okay, ma'am. Now you have to stand up. Can you keep it up a little bit? This is a normal standing position. Fine.
This is much less here.
Do you feel the difference, ma'am? Okay. Fine.